How to fix Mailchimp mobile campaign view. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix the mobile or the campaign mobile view into your Mailchimp account. So this process is going to be very easy and simple, and it is going to be here as an objective of reducing the image resizement into the Mailchimp account. Why? Because if we are going to input an image into a text block, it is going to be not worth it, and it is going to be not resizing till the end. So we're going to head over Mailchimp.com, sign in for an account, and we're going to head over the campaigns. And from the campaigns, we're going to choose up the campaign that we want to have the problem solved from. So as you can see, here we have regular campaigns. We're going to click on edit. And once we have clicked on edit, it is going to show up here everything. Now, we're going to head over the content of the email or the campaign and click on edit. Now, what are we going to do next? As you can see, we have image blocks, but the most of the problems are not going to be on the image blocks, because if you're going to check the mobile view, it is going to be okay. So we're going to head over desktop here. I'm going to show you where the problem will occur, and we're going to start writing, for example, thing. Hey, for example, here we have, for example, like that, we have the problem, and here we are going to solve it. For example, here we're going to have on this text block an image inserted. So let's insert this image. We're going to insert it just like that. If we're going to maybe have this image into the mobile, maybe sometimes they are not going to be resizing well. This is not going to be a very common problem, but here, depending on the image, it is going to be setting up the things. As you can see, here we have the problem, or we do not have the problem actually, but in case we are going to have the problem, we can go ahead and have it solved by just having an image inserted instead of this text block. So we're going to have the image deleted, and we're going to be on this place, we're going to put an image here. We're going to add the image and select it from here on the items. So it is going to add the image as a block. If we are going to resize it, it is going to not take the text, as you can see, placement, and it is not going to play around with the text, as you can see here, as a text. But here, where we're going to see, or what can we do about it, is going to let it as a block, not let it as a text image. Because we have inserting, or we have the feature of inserting an image, but it's not going to be the same. You're going to find that here is going to be the image, the same one, the same, as you can see here, dimensions, the same everything, but it is going to be different within the mobile view. Because the text is not going to tolerate a lot of, as you can see, pressure or a lot of content. Instead, it is going to tolerate only let's say the images. So you need only to put it as a separate section or a separate block, just like that, to let everything go. So with the latest let's say updates that the Mailchimp have been through, they have resolved that problem. But in case that you're going to find it, or you need at least a image so bad, you can go ahead and share the specific, let's say here, block, or add it into a place where you're going to have everything set up just fine. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.